Hello. Okay. Yeah. So welcome all, dear gentlemen. There's no ladies present at the moment. My name is Satu Peltoniemi, and I am working for the Geological Survey of Finland. At the moment, I'm responsible of the pilot plant facility, pilot plant operations. Mr. Risto Pietilä should have been here giving this presentation, but unfortunately he was unable to be here, so I'm doing my best to present our mineral processing and material research services provided by GTK. So GTK provides a cutting-edge chain of research services to operations in the field of mining, metals and environmental industries. The GTK Mintec laboratory and pilot plant facilities in eastern Finland in Outokumpu town is well known to most key players in the global minerals industry. Most of the analytical facilities are concentrated in Espoo office, but the strategic instrumentation in mineralogical research is also located in Outokumpu town. Our services include mineralogical research, isotope geology, and the most common methods in mineral processing, including comminution and classification, flotation, hydrometallurgy, bioprocessing, and magnetic, gravity, and dense media separation, and settling and dewatering. Our strengths include that we are able to provide services for our clients from nanoscale, from mineralogical studies to micron scale compositional studies and to bench scale testing, and even for pilot runs in our pilot plant. And we have a long experience with different kinds of ore types, including base metals, precious metals, industrial minerals, rare earth elements, and even diamonds. Our mineralogical research group, they study naturally ore samples and process samples, but also other kind of man-made materials, secondary phases like ashes or slags from metal industry. In isotope geology, they research nearly all kind of samples like solids and liquids. In mineral processing side, we mostly study ore samples, tailings, and different kind of side streams from industry, but we are also open for any kind of materials if only our methods and equipments are applicable on those. The laboratories of mineral processing and material research unit are divided in 3 groups: for mineral processing, mineralogy, and isotope geology. And these all are cooperating closely with each other, including pilot plant. I won't go very deep into these, neither in instrumentation. There are a list of equipments which are located in Espoo laboratories. If you are more interested on these or the methods for methods used in isotopological research. Uh, Please come and ask. I'm after the show. If I'm not able to answer your questions, I'm at least able to provide some contact details for those who can. Here's an example of MLA study results. This is a very used method also in mineral processing tests, because MLA provides information and data of modal mineralogy, particle size, liberation and association of the minerals of interest. And this is very used and practical method. And in addition, later this year we are going to get another similar device, similar but a bit sophisticated device to our laboratory in Outokumpu. There are a few pictures of other electron optical instruments which are used in Geological Survey of Finland. At bench scale, we are able to carry out comminution and classification tests, flotation tests, hydrometallurgical tests, including different kind of leaching tests in atmospheric conditions, but also pressure oxidation or pressure leaching tests in small autoclave. We have a very many wide selection of different kind of magnetic separators to be used in wet or dry magnetic separation tests. We can do gravity separation tests, and settling and dewatering tests, and different kind of measurements and tests for process chemistry. The next step after bench scale testing towards continuous mode, well, naturally log cycle test we are also able to carry out, but then a mini pilot is our mini pilot plant was originally designed and constructed in a sea container, but nowadays the devices are located in our plant. It's very useful then when the amount of material to be tested is limited. Typical sample sizes in mini pilot ranges from few hundreds of kilos up to 2 tons of ore. And the capacity varies from 10 to 50 kilos. Our mini pilot is a flotation pilot, but also some other devices can be tested there as well. In our pilot plant, the capacity usually ranges from 200 kilos per hour up to 5 tons per hour. But the capacity naturally depends on very many things. And the sample sizes are typically from 20 to 300 tons. We have plant automation and process control of a high level, together with automatic sampling systems, online analyzers for particle size, slurry density, and even XRF. Otherwise, the chemical assays are provided by Labtium Oy. Their laboratories are in the same facilities and same premises than we are, so it's very convenient. We can get fast assay results for process control if needed. Labtium OU is also present in this exhibition. Um, Usually we are able to conduct test work for feasibility studies, and we are generating process information for plant designs, but we are also doing troubleshooting for existing concentrators, and even some on-site studies can be considered. Here's a reference list of our DTK Mintech during the past few years. So basically, we have processed very many kinds of ores from all over the world. Most our um, work is confidential contract research for our clients, but we are also participating in several jointly funded projects. This map has not been updated lately, but this is to show that we have um, processed samples from all over the world, and sending big samples across the sea is not an issue. There are some examples of the jointly funded projects we have participated. There are green mining projects which have been funded by Finnish Funding Agency for Technology and Innovation. There are also projects which are funded by Finland's Ministry for Foreign Affairs and EU-funded projects. Uh, if you have any questions, I am happy to answer. If not, I wish you all a pleasant day and have a nice exhibition. Thank you.